Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't access or can't use Bing chat. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Microsoft Edge. So how you can use Bing chat? So you simply need to log in into your account for the Microsoft, and here you need to search for Bing chat, hit enter, and here you can see chat option, click on that. So once you click on that, you can easily access Bing chat and you can use, but keep in mind that you simply need to create your account and log in into your Microsoft Bing account, and after that you are able to use the Bing chat, as you can see that. So this is the simple process by which you can fix can't access or can't use Bing chat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.